How to fix webcam not working on your Windows 10 11. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily fix your issue regarding your camera where it's simply not being opened. Just make sure your laptop screen or laptop cover is correctly covered and it's set up correctly, because that might be the reason. Regarding hardware, then that might be the issue, so that might be the solution. So if it's the error regarding hardware, that might be the solution. Simply fixing your outer cover of your laptop. Sometimes when your outer cover of your laptop is simply not strong enough or not correctly attached, then your hardware camera might be broken or might need some repairment. So if it's regarding any software issue, you can simply search in for camera and just head over to its app settings just like this. And once you're inside your app settings of your camera, simply scroll down and click on this reset button over here. If your app is not currently working, this reset might help a lot. And once you reset it, it will start working correctly. And if it's still not working for some case, then simply head over to your search bar and just search in for Windows Update. So once you check in for Windows updates, if there's any software update available, you just need to make sure that you have updated your Windows to its latest version. So once you do that, just restart your PC and your issue should be fixed successfully. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.